Hi, I am Tara, a watercolor artist and teacher. On this channel, I share watercolor lessons, techniques, and helpful tips for everyone. If watercolor is something you love or want to learn, please subscribe to support the channel. Now let's jump into today's video. I can use brown and orange color in the field. And I apply the same colors in the middle of the road as well. I take a smaller brush, rinse it, and then add a few light touches on one side of the tree, keeping the direction of the light in mind. Also, I add some bushes on the ground. In the foreground, closer to us, I paint larger bushes. Using the tip of the brush, I paint long branches. With a small brush, I gently splatter a bit of red paint here. Now using red paint and the tip of the brush, we paint the roofs of the cottages. I apply red on one side and soften it with water on the other side. We have one more here. One side of them should be lighter. I paint the walls in the same way using a light brown color. One side darker and one side lighter. Here I mix a darker green. One side of the trees to better show the directions of the light. I can even soften some areas with water. With a slightly lighter green, I make the area around the cottages a bit busier. I fill the space around the cottages with bushes and small trees. I also add some shadow under the trees and fade it with water.